Ayun, dahil pinapahulak ko kung saan ako pupunta ngayon, maglakwadya. Well, nandito ako ngayon sa Cafe Moda at kasama ko yung asawa ko. Ayun, kita nyo? Cafe Moda. Yan yung back entrance. Walang iya. Wala yung asawa ko, kala ko dito siya. Nandun pala sila sa Westgate, yung mga kasama niya. Di ba, nandito si Jesus.
Yep. And we'll have money every week.
Cafe Moda. They have more there.
Wala na bang pag-ibig na kailangan? Pag-ibig na galing walang hanggan.
He did a good job.
Yeah. That's her son.
He did a good job.
So I'm singing all my love. Yes, I'm singing all my love. Yes, I'm singing all my love for you. For you.
You guys okay over here?
If you need anything else?
Where's our...
He said it's okay for now.
Don't always leave outside, I miss you, babe, and I don't wanna miss a thing. Even when I dream of you, even if I never do, I still miss you, babe, and I don't wanna miss a thing. I don't wanna close my eyes. I don't wanna always leave outside, I miss you, babe, and I don't wanna cry sometimes and lay in bed just to get it all out what's in my head, and I thought I will be you. And so I wake up in the morning and step outside and I take a deep breath and I get real high and I scream